My dad's recording a video.
All right, there we go. This is really, I'm messing around with the Rode Wireless Go, Video Wireless Go. No, is it called the Video Wireless Go? No, I think it's called just the Wireless Go. Just want to make a quick note here. I'm going to make this entire video without any kind of soundtrack, without any kind of audio, because I want you, like without any music bed, because I want you to hear the actual audio coming from here. And yeah, it might make for a slightly more boring video or whatever, really, but I think it's more of a fair evaluation of what the microphone sounds like, because that's important, right? You want to hear what the microphone sounds like. So no music bed for this video, so I apologize for any of the really quiet parts, because that's part of what we're doing. And I don't know, this is pretty much the furthest I would have my subject, and which is kind of fine. I don't need to have my subject a million miles away. I think the range is pretty good. I tested out. I tested this thing out in real life. I'll show you some of that. And I think it works really well. I'm pretty happy with it. I like the size and the fact that, I mean, you can see, you can just clip it on right here, and it's super low profile. I mean, it's not as low profile as, you know, a lavalier would be, but for its intended purpose, I think it's beautiful. I love it because it is so tiny and so convenient that you could just like pop it onto anything. Like, well, one of the things that frustrates me a lot is having to run a lav through somebody's shirt. Like, so let's say I'm at an event and I'm banging out 100 interviews, and by 100 I mean like 10 or 20 interviews, and each and every time I have to be like, okay, run this down your shirt, put it in your pocket, and then let me clip that on for you. And what I like is that I don't have to do that with this. I just pop, you know, I just show them the thing and I squeeze it. I'm like, you see how that clips? And they're like, yeah. I'm like, okay, put it on your shirt. And they do. And it is so fast. And sure, it's not hidden when you use it without a lavalier. It's not perfectly hidden, but it's also not distracting, which is super cool. It's not this big giant thing with blinky lights that is distracting the viewer and like, what the heck is that on their shirt? Like, even right now, if I wasn't specifically calling this microphone out, you probably wouldn't notice that it was on me unless you were looking for it. And that's kind of cool. I appreciate that. I like that kind of design. You know what? I just got an idea. I just got an idea for kind of a dumb test here. As you probably saw earlier, a second ago, my son riding around on his scooter. I'm gonna put this on him, and let's see, let's see what it sounds like. All right, so here's the test. Basically, what I want to do is I'm gonna grab the Ronin, and I'm gonna strap the A7 III with a 85 millimeter lens on it. I'm gonna put the Rode microphone right on the top, and then I'm gonna put the transmitter on my 6-year-old, and we're gonna see how the audio holds up to a relatively extreme test. Wish me luck.
I'm gonna try to go faster than Sonic.
You're gonna try to go faster than Sonic?
Oh, I'm gonna try to go Like Sonic.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Sonic is faster than anybody. Right? Now where to go? Going to see anyone faithful God.
Stop right there. How fast do you think you went?
151 miles.
151 miles per hour?
Yeah. Make sure to subscribe and get my merch. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.